So me and Mike just spotted some bulls, or herd, I'm sorry, right off the road. It's wide open right where they're at, but there's a creek that approaches them. So we might be able to get in within shooting range. Well, I don't know, we'll see. But it's just too easy of a stalk. You know what I mean? Low-hanging fruit, as they call it. So we're gonna make a move on this thing, and if we mess it up, we mess it up. No big deal. It ain't that long of a stalk or long of a movement, but let's see if Mike can avenge himself.
Last chance.
Redeem himself, I'm sorry. Yeah, last chance. So, no pressure. See that white head of yours. Shed number 2. So Mike's moving in for a stalk on a bull. There's a ditch that runs up here and curves back. He's talking to camera. There's a clump of trees right over in here, little willow trees. And there's a bull bedded between them. Right there at the bottom of this little dead tree. You can see like it looks like a little stick hanging off to the right of it. Right there. That's a bull about 230 yards away. Mike's making a move on him and I'm gonna hold back. We'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. Still right here. Mike's right here. Cow's over here, so he's gonna try to slip right here. Get within 60 or 70 yards and shoot him. You can do it, Mike. I believe in you, buddy. You can do it. Well, the army started shooting artillery. Mike's talking and they just... Yeah, you can see a little puff of smoke. Yep. It's about that time. Crazy son of a bitch. Oh, fired for effect. Well, I don't know what's going to happen now, but we're right on the edge of the impact area where we can't go anymore. So we'll see what happens. They just got up and moved, so Mike's moving a little bit here. We didn't spook them. They just got up and moved. You know, they've been laying there for a couple hours, so this is what they do. They get up every couple hours and they move. And that, my friends, is what we call UXO. Do not touch or kick it. That is all. Too far to shoot kind of thing or what? Cows over here. I'll be like this. That probably should be there. Yeah. He's further away. Than him? Yeah. Well, outside and see what they do. Maybe they're just eating, grazing. Okay. Well, they kind of moved out into an open area. I know we can do about it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Mike got set back up on their beds where they just came from. And I'm gonna go around and cut them off, get between them and the road, and try to push them back towards Mike. Well, I tried to cut them off, but unfortunately, they went into the impact area. So that's a no-go. As you can see, they have been shooting artillery out here. So I'm not permitted to go in there. Obviously, I don't want to go in there, but obviously there's a big area within these impact zones that are safety buffers. There's only certain target referencing points that they really fire at, but still, you don't want to be out there when the new guy's behind the cannon shooting off some rounds and lands one on your forehead. So I've already seen some UXOs out here too. So that was one really cool stock. Unfortunately, did not work out. He was all right bull. He wasn't the biggest, so I'm not that heartbroken about it, but I'm really proud of Mike though. Mike put on an amazing stock. As you can see, it's wide open. They burned all this. There's not a whole lot of trees. Normally there would be some decent grass to kind of low crawl or high crawl through, but no such thing in these times. So until next year, we'll be back out here. But as you can see, there are some amazing opportunities out here on military installations to hunt. There's different military installations all over the United States that have some type of Department of Natural Resources and a hunting program. So if you're active duty or retired or 100% disabled or maybe even a civilian in some cases, all installations are different. Get on nicesportsman.net, check it out, see what's available in your state, see what the eligibility criteria is, and if you are eligible, go hunt and have fun. Peace, guys.